Kebei is leading a new wave of intelligent manufacturing by launching a ground-rail single-arm welding robot. It is suitable for industries such as steel structures, suitable for workpieces such as H-beam partitions, H-beam brackets, purlin plates, bridge plate units, chip plate units, tower corners, curved beams, and pipe splicing structures. The equipment operates stably and can work continuously for long periods of time, significantly improving production efficiency and welding quality. The 2800 system directly reads STEP or IFC drawings, intelligently analyzes weld processes, and automatically generates obstacle avoidance path programs, eliminating the need for complex programming. The 3800 system's wide field of view camera captures images, eliminating the need for model import. Reverse modeling is then performed through visual positioning and point cloud scanning. Workpieces can be placed anywhere on the work table, and their position can be quickly identified, truly achieving welding upon placement. Laser seam detection and arc tracking enable real-time weld seam tracking, real-time sensing and dynamic correction of deviations, thermal deformation, and assembly errors ensure uniform and full welds. It supports flight positioning, fast positioning, and various deviation positioning modes. It features a built-in database of welding processes accumulated over many years, covering complex processes such as multi-layer, multi-pass welding, fillet welding, scraping arc initiation, breakpoint positioning, ray arc retraction, continuous welding, and through-hole welding. An expert system provides intelligent matching and one-click access, easily achieving high-quality welding. Set a cleaning timer, and the torch will automatically return to its original position for cleaning when the time is up. It intelligently executes standardized slag removal and lubrication processes, ensuring the welding torch is always in optimal condition without manual intervention. The finished welds are uniform and aesthetically pleasing, with stable and reliable quality, fully complying with industry standards, and significantly improving product consistency and overall quality. The hardware is easy to install. Simply connect the wires and it will run. The software interface is user-friendly, requiring no experienced welders. One person can manage multiple devices, resulting in a surge in efficiency, a sharp drop in costs, and improved welding efficiency and quality.